Good day, our wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explain comparative adjectives. What are they? If you need a bit of help with this, stay with me until the end of this video and find out more about this grammar. After this video, our free grammar quiz will help you to check your understanding of these rules. Let's get started. First of all, let's refresh in our memory what is a comparative adjective. Have a look in this example. I'd like to have a faster car. Your car is more reliable than mine. In these examples, faster car and more reliable car are our comparative adjectives. A comparative adjective is an adjective which is used to compare one thing with another. And we can make a comparative adjective stronger or soften it by using words like much, a lot, far, a bit, a little, slightly before the adjective. Please compare. This bag is more expensive than in the previous shop. This bag is much more expensive than in the previous shop. Putting much before more expensive, I emphasize our adjective when I compare bags in the shops. She is a lot happier now than she was before. This car is far more reliable than I expected. I am a bit taller than my brother. This task is a little easier than the previous one. The weather today is slightly colder than yesterday. As you can see, these words much, a lot, far, a bit, a little help us to highlight the adjective and make it softer or stronger depending on meaning. When we want to talk about how something or somebody is changing, we sometimes repeat comparatives. For example, your English is getting better and better every day. Flats are getting more and more expensive in London. We also use them plus comparative adjective and another them plus comparative adjective to say that one thing changes in relation to another. For example, the longer she cooks dinner, the tastier it becomes. The more sweets I eat, the happier I become. Another construction to compare things when they're equal in some aspects is to use the words as plus adjectives or adverb plus s. For example, I have got a car. He has got a car. My car is fast and his car is fast. His car is as fast as mine. Yesterday's weather was as bad as today's. In this sentence, I compare today's weather with yesterday's weather, and in my comparison, they are equal. Also, we can use not as plus adjective plus s when things are not equal. For example, I have got a car. He has got a car. My car is fast, but his car is not fast. His car is not as fast as mine. Yesterday's weather was not as bad as today's. In this sentence, it means that the weather today is worse than yesterday. I hope this was a clear and helpful explanation. And to check this, please follow the link in the video description to do the free grammar quiz to see if you understand the grammar correctly. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel, as it is much appreciated. Thank you and goodbye!